Welcome back. Government has cleared garbage treatment plant at Kurchore in areas of 64,985 square meters. Cabinet has approved transfer of land to DMA for project. Chief Minister has assured a uniform power supply for state in coming days. Parrikar also informed media that water supply will also be uniform and machinery is already working on that aspect.
64,985 स्क्वेअर मीटर कुडचडे काकोडे म्युनिसिपल काउन्सिलाकडे जी दिल्ली आणि DMA परती घेतल्या अर्बन डिपार्टमेंट has been handed over to Department of Science and Technology and Environment for management towards setting up of technologically advanced solid waste management system. ताकि उदकाची शॉर्टेज काही लोकलाइज पॉइंटांक आसा ते सगळे लोकलाइज पॉइंट नोट करपाक लायल्या so that during next 1 year all those people will be provided with proper pipelines. बाकी ऑग्युमेंटेशन बऱ्याच जाग्यार चालू आसा इन्क्लुडिंग पेडणे सगळ्यो वॉटरच्यो स्किमी आमी अप्रूव केल्ल्या. इट टेक सम टायम फॉर द स्कीम टू गेट इनटू एक्चुअल हे लोकांनी उदक सारके गरमेचे दिसान सारके वापरचे हे बेसीक रिक्वायरमेंट आहा. There are some people who use it for watering plants. If they want to have a water plant, do it with a mug, don't do it with a pipe. Korba 6 was shut down. Korba is still shut down. Korba 5 was shut down, reducing supply to the state by more than 100 megawatt. In spite of election, we have managed to purchase power on emergency basis. On top of it, Reliance shut down. So 32 थंय फरक आयलो प्लस 100 नॅशनल ग्रिडाचो फरक 132 मेगावॅट पावर आमी गेल्या 20 दीस नॅशनल ग्रिडा वयल्यान ट्रेडिंग करून विकती घेता. That's why people have virtually not felt any difference. The small bottleneck which was taking place was because of congestion of corridor.
Over 19 crores voters have sealed the fate of 1,737 candidates of Lok Sabha Poll. 8th phase of Lok Sabha Poll was held in 7 states on Wednesday. Candidates include Rahul Gandhi and Smriti Irani in Amethi, Varun Gandhi, cricketer turned politician Mohammad Kaif, Rajiv Pratap Rudy and others. Last phase of Lok Sabha Poll will be held on 12th May. Moderate voting was recorded in 7 states on Wednesday. Polling was held at Andhra Pradesh, Bihar, Jammu and Kashmir, Uttar Pradesh, Uttarakhand, West Bengal, Himachal Pradesh. Popular candidates in Wednesday's poll include Rahul Gandhi and Smriti Irani in Amethi, Varun Gandhi, cricketer turned politician Mohammad Kaif, Rajiv Pratap Rudy and others. The last phase of Lok Sabha poll will be held on 12th May. Voting will be held in Bihar, Uttar Pradesh, West Bengal. Bureau Report, Prudent. Chief Minister has said that decision related to Chaugule Higher Secondary will be taken once Director of Education resumes his duty. Director of Education is on leave at present. CM evaded every question on Chaugule Higher Secondary, saying let the Education Director join his duty. Chaugule management has decided to close down Higher Secondary from this academic year.
So the Education Director, Secretary, Director, who is the decision-making authority, is on leave. Let him come back on 12th. Then I will ask him and tell you. I can't take the decision. Director Education is the authority to take the decision.
Bomb hawks created chaos and confusion at Vishal Mega Mart in Panji on Wednesday. The customers were panicked over the bomb hawks. However, it was revealed that it was a regular mock drill exercise under Operation Sagar Kavach.
The situation occurred on Wednesday afternoon. All customers along with employees were asked to vacate Vishal Mega Mart, claiming there is a bomb in premises. Bomb squad reached at the site along with their tools and equipments and started search for bomb. Later it was informed that it was just a regular mock drill exercise. Bureau Report, Prudent.
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.